Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily create Instagram posts like a pro. So if you're ever wondering how do people create such good Instagram infographics or Instagram posts, so I'm going to show you the secret how they do it. And trust me guys, it's very simple. It's just drag and drop. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I teach people how to make money on Instagram, and I also teach how you can grow your Instagram really easily. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So now guys, as you could see on the screen, the website I'm using is called Canva. It's free to use. Okay, very simple. Once you just type canva.com, just click over here, type Instagram post, and guys, that's it. You can choose your theme. So let's say I choose my theme like this. Okay, that's it guys, this is it. And the next thing you could do is type quotes. So let's say you are in a motivation field, you can just type motivation quotes. Okay, open this up. Okay, scroll down. Okay, just all your dreams can come true. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. And just type this, copy this, come over here, paste it, make it small. Okay, and then that's it, Mark Twain. You can just type Mark Twain, that's it. And you can write. Okay, you can do this. And then the next thing, the best thing is you can duplicate, you can start changing it. This is how you can create like a pro. No need to worry about nothing. And then you can just download in JPEG. And that's it guys, this is how you can create it. That's the first way. The second way is you can just go on Fiverr, but you need to pay for that. So that's more of outsourcing, but this is the most easiest way. Usually takes 1 hour to create 100 posts, and then you can just auto post it or schedule it. If you would like to learn how you can auto schedule it, I've created a video about that as well. And that's it for today's video. And if you would like to learn more about how to get 10,000 followers or make money on Instagram, I've created a free course. Check the link down below. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.